today's video, I'll show you how you can copy and legally sell images and earn up to $500 a day. So the first thing to do is to search for public domain images, and what it means is, as you can see here, creative materials that are not protected by intellectual property laws such as copyright, trademark, patent laws. So it means that it's totally free to use. You can profit from it. You can do whatever you want with these images. And to find these images, you come to Google and then you type freeimages.com. But for this part, I want you to pay attention. Be careful, because there are two websites with the same name. The first one you can see here is just freeimages.com, and the right website is free-images.com. So this is the website that you want to be clicking right now. Already here on top of the page, you can see it says free public domain, and it means what I just explained it to you. So any picture from this website, you're gonna be able to use it and profit as much as you want. As you can see here, they have a lot of beautiful images that you can use it and profit from. But in today's video, we're gonna focus on painting arts because they are easy to sell and they are more profitable. And for this, I'm gonna search for Van Gogh. So as you can see here, they have a lot of beautiful pictures that look similar to Van Gogh's pictures. They are not the same, but it's inspired on, and this is gonna be more easy to sell. In a minute, I'll show you where to sell and how to profit with this type of paintings, of pictures, right? Let's scroll down a little bit and see if we can find an interesting one. So I have found one image here that I think is really nice. It's really expressive and it has a lot of details just like Van Gogh. So for now, if you can look on the side here, you have a lot of options of the quality and size of the image. You're always gonna look for the higher and best quality as possible to download, and in this case here is the original. So you just click on download, and don't worry, this website is totally free. You don't need to create an account, you don't need to pay for anything. You just come straight and download what you like. And also, if you did not find something that you like over here, I'm gonna show you right now another website that you can get some images from. The website is called Raw Pixel, and now if you come here to images, I'm gonna write Van Gogh again, but remember, you don't have to take the same pictures that I do. You can search for anything that you like, and you just come down here and you write it and search it. So as we can see here, there are a lot of beautiful pictures as well, but this website, you gotta be careful. If you pay attention here on the top part, there are some that says free, but it's in purple. There are also some that have a little crown on top. These are not totally public domains to use, so don't pick from this images. What you want to look for is this ones here that has the green written free on it. So if you click it, see, you can see it's public domain. So if you download something from this website, make sure you get this type of pictures that had this logos here, free domain. Also, if you scroll down, the website are gonna give you more options similar to what you have clicked on it, and automatically it's gonna be all the green free button on top, so you can choose from this ones as well. Now that you have all images you need downloaded, it comes to the best part, the sales. This is one website that we can sell those images. It's called Redbubble. It's really easy to create an account, so follow my steps. You're gonna come here to the top of the website and you click sign up. On this part, what you want to do here is gonna choose artist sign up, because you're gonna be selling things on this website, and you just put your email, you choose a shop name, and then you create a password and you sign up. After you have created an account, this is gonna be the main page showing for you. We can take a look around here to see what our competitors are doing and offering to the public. So see, this one is very similar to Van Gogh art as well. If we click on it, we can see that they're selling t-shirts, post stickers, iPhone cases, and for the t-shirt they are charging $19.33, and this shop has 86 available products, so you can take a look around and see. But now I already know how much they are asking for the product. And to start selling your product, you want to come to this part here and you want to click sell your art. start. There are easy steps that you have to do here to create your shop, so you can just fill everything here. Just add a profile picture, add a cover. If you want, you can link your social media and also add a bio. To get paid, you just gotta confirm your email, add a name and address, and the paying details. So this website pays via PayPal, so you can earn from anywhere in the world. After you have completed everything, you're just gonna come here, add new work, and on this part here you choose upload a new work, and you're gonna upload a file that you just downloaded from the other websites. Once you upload it, you just gotta put a title, a tag, and a description. Also on the side here you can see there are lots of other languages. You don't need to worry about this unless you want to translate yourself. Then you have to click it here, then you can go and translate it. If not, you just unclick it and the website is gonna translate automatically for you. So I'm gonna add a title right now. For this, I'll just put guy in the forest. You can add some tags as well. So I'm gonna add a Van Gogh forest. Also, I'm gonna put painting, and here you can add as many tags as you want. So you can take some time and search for the tags here. In the description as well, I'm just gonna put a simple description. So an expressive image of a man in the woods. After this, you can see that they already have generated a lot of materials for you, and what you have to do for this part, you can just disable or enable what you want to sell on your store. So they have already enabled for me this hat. I think it looks really cool. I'm gonna leave it, and if you click edit, you can see all the details. You can replace the image here, you can center, you can scale the size of the image. I'll leave it 100%. Also, you can change the color of the hat. So if I want, see, you can choose another colors. If I want it pink, you can do it. I'll leave it the default because I think it's really nice. After you have set up everything, you can come to this part, and here is where they have the prices. The website has already a base price, and you get 20% of each sale. If you want, you can change this around. I'm gonna leave it like this, and remember, you get 20%, but you don't have to do anything. You just have to put the art here and scale it and put it to sell. The website's gonna do the shipping for you. They're gonna do the website traffic for you, so you just need to sit back, relax, and get paid. After you have chosen everything, you just apply changes, and if you scroll down, they have lots and lots and lots of options. Most of them are already enabled. After you have chosen everything, you just come all the way down and you save your work. After you save your work, it's good to go. They're already on the website, and you can see all the products here. I didn't take some time, of course, on scaling everything, but in your case, you can take time here, choose whatever you like the best. You can scale it the right way, and see, there's a lot of options, and that's pretty much all here. You don't want to depend just on one website to make your sales, so this is why I'm gonna show you another website. But before we go to the next website, if you're liking this video, don't forget to push the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting 2 videos every week to give you all the knowledge that you need to make some extra cash. This is another website that you can publish and sell your stuff. It's called Etsy, and the good thing about this website is similar to Redbubble. It will do all the work for you from printing to shipping, so you don't need to worry about. And to create an account is really easy and simple, just like the last one. And we can take a look around here as well. So if you come to art and collections, and here you can see all the works that the competitors are putting on it. There are mostly, you can see, posters. So from this website, you can focus on posters because it's easier and cheaper to sell it. So if you scroll down, you can see they have a lot of options. Let's look at this one here. So this shop here is charging $28.99 and has already made more than 15,000 sales. So you can imagine how much just this shop here already profit for one simple poster. Like the other one, it's really simple to do the step by step. If you guys want, comment down below and I'll make a video of a step by step how to sell on Etsy, and also I will show another ways you can boost your traffic. Just to show you an idea, there's another niche that sells a lot as well. So if you type here Japanese art, you can see here they have beautiful posters as well, and they go for higher prices. Like this one is $60. They have a lot of options, and on those public domain website that I have shown you at the beginning of the video, you can also find this type of paintings here, this type of art. You can sell it here, you can sell it on Redbubble. Now that you learn how to earn and relax, make sure you check out my last video so you find another way to earn money online. Thank you.